Hi, to enable or disable power saving mode on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step you will need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trick the control center, then swipe again to see its features, and here scroll through the pages to see this battery icon, which is the power saving mode. So if you just press and hold it, you'll see its settings. Here you can see battery usage by app, so you can check which apps uses most of the battery power. You can go in the battery health and check the maximum capacity. If your phone is new, then it should be at least 90 to 100%. Here you can set the charging limit, enable smart charging, and go into more settings to check the high performance mode, optimize battery use, sleep standby, optimization, and app battery management. So, if you would like to enable low power mode, which is power saving mode, you just need to go in the control center once more and tap on this icon so it will light up blue. And now it is enabled. Also notice that in power saving mode, your device may turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data after a period of inactivity. This can cause a delay in notifications or receiving emails. So if you suddenly don't get a message on time, it might be because of the power saving mode. And to disable it, you just need to return back in the control center and tap it again. Easy as that. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.